Welcome back to Western Sydney. This is Mount Western Raceway and the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look at our races for tonight. Coming off a sensational win last week is Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop in that Buffalo. This Buffalo is fast and has the pace to take on any competitor that stands up to the Buffalo right here on Mount Western Raceway. Can he do 3 in a row tonight? Back on the track, all the way from the US of A, is Jim Leichenring. This time he's driving the 33 Ford Roadster. It's fast, it is tuned and primed to take on that mighty Buffalo from Tasmania. Good luck, gentlemen.
Race 1.
Straight out of the gate, Metal Mania 3D Buffalo gets his first win right here on Mount Western Raceway. It's game on, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned.
Race 2. Winner! Jim Leichenring in that 33 Ford Roadster.
Well, Jim in the 33 Ford right down the line. Unbelievable racing tonight.
Race 3. Winner! It's Jim Leichenring again in that 33 Ford Roadster.
I've seen some fast racing on Mount Western Raceway, but these two guys are full on tonight.
Race 4. Winner! Metal Mania 3D in the Buffalo. Oh, he's pulled up early. Is he alright?
Not sure, MC, and Jim is just hanging on the track.
Race 5. Leichenring in the 33 Ford Roadster. Good on you, mate.
Jim Leichenring in the 33 Ford Roadster takes it out with a 3-2 after 5. Excellent driving, guys. Metal Mania 3D will see you on the track very soon in a new car. Let's take a look at the current standings. Well, there you go. Jim Leichenring from the US of A gets his second win right here on Mount Western Raceway in the 2020 Club Championship Hot Rods. Let's wrap it up. That was a surprise win tonight by Jim in the 33 Ford. You can see here out of race 1, the 32 Ford out of turn 1 stacks it into the side walls there. But here comes the Buffalo. He goes up high and sets himself up beautifully for that home straight to cross the line and gets his first win. I've got to say, the Buffalo would make an excellent modified or custom vehicle for street rods, which are coming up soon. Here we go into race 2, and it's a 33 Ford that goes out fast and goes out hard. Look at this line. Hits that sidewall, he's still in front. The Buffalo's trying to catch him from here, but he hasn't got a hope in hell. There goes Jim behind the wheel of that mighty 33 Ford, just blocks the Buffalo. The Buffalo's trying his hardest and can't do it. Good on you, Jim, you get your first win tonight. Let's head into race 3, and it's Leichenring behind the wheel of that 33 Ford. No problems in race 3. He had this sewn up right from the very top and the start. Beautiful line down Mount Western Straight. Picks up speed down the bottom and almost stacks it out of turn 2. Full pelt here to cross the line for his second win on tonight's Hot Rods. Bit of a Barney down the back there, and the Buffalo, well, I'm not too sure what's going on with that team. Race 4 and KC and the Metal Mania 3D Buffalo have a problem coming out of the gate. They're very slow. Jim's all over the track coming out of turn 1. He's still in front, and here comes a Buffalo. He's just going his hardest. There goes Jimmy, spins out, and this leaves the opportunity for KC and that mighty Buffalo to cross the line and get their second win. He pulls up here. There is something wrong mechanically with this vehicle. They need to sort this out. Heading into race 5, it's Jim and that 33 Ford Roadster powering down the back there, going into turn 1. I love this little swing he does. Wham! I just love it how these guys can just swing out of turn 1. Here comes the Buffalo, gives him a little nudge. He's trying his hardest. He's got on the top gear. It's almost there. He's almost over. And no, it's Jim Leichenring in the 33 Ford Roadster who crosses the line. He scores himself a second victory right here on Mount Western Raceway in the 2020 Club Hot Rods Championships. Good on you, Jim. Well done. KC and the Buffalo, as I said before, thank you very much. If you have more cars to race, we will see you very soon. Well, here he is, your new club champion, Jim Leichenring, holding that cup up high and proud. Next Monday night, we see the return of Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the Bone Shaker. We've seen the Bone Shaker race here before, and this is one fast hot rod. Thursday night racing, 5 o'clock Aussie time. Catch you later.